Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Cassandra and today I have another video. It's not about makeup, it's a DIY video. I have a dress. It's not a dress, but I call it a dress. It's very simple and I wanted to give it some color to it. So if you want to see what I'm talking about and how it looks, just keep on watching. So this is how the dress looked before. So this is how I want it. I was good to buy 2 cherries because I want to put one in each shoulder. And I have the flowers, the smiley face, girl gangs, and the lips. I wanted to put the lipstick, but I don't know where. So I'm just gonna work with this, and I'm gonna see how this looks. So I'm gonna use some pins to secure the stems. Now the fun part. I'm gonna put the thread on the needle. This is gonna be a challenge. Now that we have the thread on the needle, we're gonna do the knot. This is very hard to do it, so just watch what I'm doing because it's very hard to explain. So when you start, you wanna make sure you start from the inside so the knot will stay in the inside. I want to be honest with you guys. This is the first time that I'm sewing, so I was very nervous because it was very hard for me at first. It's hard to get, as you can see on the camera, I was struggling how to do it. But after the first rows that I did, I was getting pretty good. You will see in the video. So I finished the first stamp and I wanted to show you how I did it at the end so it lasts longer. So I'm gonna do the second stamp, and I was thinking that it was gonna be hard because it was in the pocket, but I was wrong. The one I struggled a lot was the one on the shoulders. That was very hard. So this is how the dress looked after. I really hope you like the video, guys. I really like how it looks. I was not expecting the shoulders to look so nice, so I like it. So if you like the video, please give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching. Bye bye.